Hi everybody. So today we are going to learn about attracting more money in our life by writing a love letter to money. And before we move ahead, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and click on the option here. All right, on your left hand side. So just go ahead and like, share, and subscribe my channel. And we're going to talk about attracting more money in our life. So how can you attract money by writing just a love letter to money? This is one technique which actually helped me and changed my life totally. And I just love and believe in this technique a lot. So what you have to do in this is we all have friends, right? And whenever we get excited, we tell them anything with a lot of happiness and enthusiasm. So it is the same thing that you have to do in this technique. All you have to do is you have to write a love letter to money instead of writing it to your friend. But you have to imagine that money is your best friend. Okay. And now you will start writing this letter by dear money. And in the first line, you will always pay gratitude to money. So in the first line, write, dear money, thank you so much for coming into my life. And write all the good things that money has done for you till now. Right? And after that, in the second paragraph, you can go ahead and say everything that you're going to do when money comes into your life. So you have to just write how beautiful how nice you feel, how beautiful you feel when money comes into your life, how you're going to invest it in different mutual funds or share market, or are you going to keep it in FD, or you're going to invest it into the foreign market. So you have to just write all these things that you're going to do with money. And then after that, you have to write the maintenance frequency. Okay, so when you pay thanks to money for staying in your life, and you have to say thank you money for staying in my life and being abundant in my life. So that way you will write a line or a paragraph for the maintenance frequency. Okay, so this is how you write a letter to money. And at the end, you have to invite money to your home. So just invite money and how much respect you're going to give to money. So all these things you have to write very clearly and just see how amazing this process is. This is going to definitely change your life because it has changed many people's life, and many of my students are getting amazing results by doing this technique. How does it work? It works because gratitude is the highest frequency in the universe, right? So the more we appreciate about anything, the more it gets attracted in our life. So if you want to attract lots of money in your life, then pay gratitude to it by writing this letter, and then see how it plays a magical role in your life as well. All right, guys. So thank you so much. And I'll keep coming up with such amazing techniques. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. See you. Ta-da.